Hi, my name is Titus. So I am originally from Nigeria. I was born in Nigeria, Edo State, the south region of Nigeria. I'm an Asian boy, to be precise. Yeah, I grew up in a very small nuclear family. I moved, did my high school or college, as they would say, primary school and secondary school in Nigeria, and also had a university degree in Nigeria before I moved to Russia. It's very interesting. I moved to Russia. I did also my bachelor's there. Of course, the language of study was Russian, which was, I love it. Today I can speak Russian very well. Russian language, very interesting language. After I've completed my bachelor's over there in Russia, I moved to Germany, where I'm currently in now. And also in Germany, I did another study. So right now, currently I'm working. Thanks God I had my master's degree here in Germany. So this is my story. This is how it is presently. But my future, this is what I want to take you guys along with me to see how the future will look like. So join me in this exciting journey, an amazing one, of which I know I'll be telling my story and giving you guys how it is, just the way I am. Oh God.